Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies from 29th of June till 4th of July, and we will be looking out at your past, present and future energies in this reading. Along with that, I'm going to take out some advice cards for you as an advice from the universe. Alright, so let's get started with your reading. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's see. What is there for my Capricorns from 29th of June till 4th of July 2021? Past, present and future. Okay, so the obstacle for you in this week is the Two of Cups, and at the back of the deck we have the High Priestess. Along with that, I'm taking out some cards which are hidden from you, the energies which are hidden from you: Magician, Sun, Temperance, World, Two of Wands, Ten of Wands and the Fool. Okay, so if we talk about the obstacle for you this week with the Two of Cups, so Capricorn, so this can be a new meeting which you are going to meet, which you are going to have with somebody. Okay, so this can be already planning with whom you are actually planning with somebody. You are going to plan and you are going to meet someone, but this is coming as an obstacle. So there might be a chance that you might not meet because some kind of thing happen if you meet as well to someone. So this can be a person which is it can be someone who is not only your person. It can be a friend, it can be a family member, it can be anyone, because this is coming as an obstacle. That is why I am telling you. Plus this is for some of you, this may be a soulmate connection. We are going to check all the energies, what exactly they are saying, but in a while only. And for some of you, it's a soulmate connection which is coming towards which is coming towards a problem. You are going towards a problem. It's a kind of obstacle because of whom somebody else is coming in between both of you. We are going to check all the energies. What is that? All right, so your overall energy is the High Priestess. So I really feel that whatever this thing is, all these things are really correlated, and yes, something mysterious is happening in your life. You might not even know what is this thing, but something is mysteriously happening. It is like something is hidden from you. You have that feeling that something is not fine around me, something hideous, something suspicious, but you don't know what. So what is hidden from you now? Let's come to those cards. So this is with the Magician energy and the Fool energies, both are coming. So this is like a brand new beginning which you have entered into. It was a beginning, it was something you entered yourself. This was not like okay, somebody else wanted to come in between. No, you entered in this thing, and this has brought a lot of problems, a lot of heaviness in your life, in your heart, and you don't even know which way to go. You are really in that state where you are confused now. I have taken the decision, and how can I back out from this thing? How? You want to take some time, you are asking for some time, you do not want to react in this situation, but you have no choice. It's like this process needs some ending. There is some kind of an ending in this thing. Although it felt very good, it felt very beautiful, but that there is some kind of an ending because it has some heaviness attached to it. Okay, so in the past energies we have the Empress, the Moon and Four of Cups. Yeah, I think you were trying to give someone like a lot of love, a lot of affection, a lot of care, nurturing times, nourishment you were trying to give someone, but it was always a no from the other side. It was like, I do not need this, I just need to be alone, just leave me alone, please. It was always a rejection. You felt that this person was your soulmate, this person was like, they were so happy when they were with me before, and now all of a sudden, why is this person not talking to me, not even wanting me for a little while? Because you know that something is wrong. They know something is wrong, they know the reason, they are not telling it to you. You might be married to this person, because you might be living in the same house with this person. For some of you only, of course. For some of you, it is a situation where you are calling this person, but they are not receiving, they are not calling you back, and it's that heaviness inside your heart is like, when the earth starts shaking, that kind of heaviness you are experiencing right now. You know why this person is doing this. All of a sudden, what has happened? You still are in that dilemma, because with the Five of Pentacles, it is like this person has left you out in the cold already. Already you are in two different paths. Already, it's like there's no use of getting back with this person, because they are very stubborn in the situation. For some of you, this is a money thing as well, for some of you only, because some finances, you are getting cut from some finances. You have always, wanted to balance the financing thing. The savings for some of you is like, I'm not able to save money. All my savings are really, the expenditure is more than my savings, than my income, and you are not able to save money. So you are at a cut. For some of you, you are at cut, you are in the border line, in the boundary. And yeah, money and love, these two things are really important for you, and you are suffering from both the situations. Some of you, you are actually you are dealing with a person who is very busy at work, busy with family, and you are feeling that this person is leaving me out in the cold, and this person always wanted me first, and now they are really busy in their own work. You do not know what that exactly, it is the work which is making them busy, or it is something else. So you are trying to figure that out. In the coming future, we have Six of Swords, Knight of Cups, and Strength. So yeah, I think that in the coming future, you are ready to just leave this chaotic situation, because this is full of deception, full of deceit, full of bad energies, and you want to leave the situation. You are saying goodbye. It's like not staying in the same situation for too long. You are not going to stay in the situation, but then when you are becoming like this, the apology, it is coming towards you. This person is coming towards you again with an apology letter, with an apology like, I'm sorry, I was really busy. But you sense something, you have already sensed that thing. You want a clear answer, but I don't know whether they will be able to give you that clarity or not. We are going to find the answers more, we are going to clarify the reading, but till now it is going on like that. Let's do the clarification now. All right. We have some water. Okay, so let's see why the obstacle is the Two of Cups for my Capricorns, please. Nine of Wands, Nine of Swords, and King of Pentacles. I think there is a barrier in front of you. Either this barrier is brought by you or by someone else. But yes, there is a barrier and you are not ready to lift that barrier up. Still the guards are down. You are not ready for those guards to come up. you're not ready for a full relationship commitment. For some of you, the other person is doing the same thing. It can be vice versa. Just take as it resonates, because it's a lot of pressure the other person is dealing with. It is already that either this person is really working on his or her finances, money, and that is why they are not able to give you that time. It is like that. It is like the situation. I really want money, I really want to improve my finances. Capricorn, please try to understand me, they are saying somewhere. But for some of you, it is also that it's not only about finances, it is just about finances. It's like, I want money, and if you do not want to be with me, just you can go, because I am really working hard for my finances and career, and you are not able to understand, so you can just leave. Okay, so for some of you, it is like that as well. So there are very mixed energies which are coming up today, and let's get some more clarity. Let's see why the High Priestess is here in your overall energy. Why this High Priestess is here. Ace of Wands, King of Swords, and Four of Wands. All you want is to understand. See, you are getting a lot of thoughts. That is what I'm getting, Capricorn, that your thoughts, they might be mixing up a lot with your person. But to be very honest, your person is really busy. They are really out of time. They have a lot of things to take care of. For some of you, it is like, I really need to work. I really need to maintain my finances, my expenditures a lot. I really need to save some money. It's high time. And the reason they're ignoring you is because of this. They cannot make you satisfied, and that is why it's like that. Because to be very honest, I'm not getting a lot of negative energies from this person. This person is dealing with something. Okay, so let's see why the Empress energy is here. No, not Empress. I want to check the Moon energy first. What is this hidden energy? I really want to know what is this hidden energy, because right till now there are no negative energies, but I really am concerned about this Moon energy. The Hangman, the Lovers, and Ten of Pentacles. Yes, the love is there. It's just they are not able to show it to you. It's not they are expressing. That is the reason you are feeling that it's only you who are showing. Somewhere they are going through a lot of pressure and a lot of pain already, and that is why they are not telling you. For some of you, it is a person with whom you are dealing with. He or she is very they are very loving to you. They already love you a lot, and they do not want you to feel that pain which they are already feeling. Okay, and that is why they are just silent right now. There is no communication. You want a communication, but you're not getting one. This is the reason. Okay, so let's see why this Two of Pentacles is there in the present energies for my Capricorns. The Devil, Seven of Swords, and Ten of Swords. Yes, so this person might have been deceived by somebody else in regards with money. They might have lended some money to some people, or to a person, and they didn't get that money back. For some of you, it can be you as well. So it is a strong deception energy which you might be going through. It was a strong addiction energies. It is only for some of you, because for majority of you, it is more about this person being loyal to you, but they are going through some disloyalty experiences or energies, and that is why they are really high in, like, low in finances. Sorry. Why this King of Pentacles energy is here, please? King of Pentacles. Page of Wands, Six of Swords, and Five of Pentacles. Definitely. So this person was somewhere involved in an investment where they have invested like just like that, okay, without even thinking, giving a second thought, and they just entered into something. So this can be a relationship with you as well. For some of you, you might have entered in this relationship just like that, and now you both are facing the pros and cons of the situation, and that is why you both are feeling that you are left out in the cold. It can be both of you, because someone here is really thinking about money more than the relationship, and that is why money is a very big thing today in this reading. I don't know, but I am really getting that vibe of finances, money. In the future, let's see why this Knight of Cups is here. Who is this Knight of Cups? Four of Pentacles, the Star, and Three of Cups. So somebody is coming towards you with an apology, with a message of reconciliation, that let's get back together, let's just talk it out. I really want to talk this thing, but I think that you are trying to hold on. You are not going to be very fast in replying to this person like, okay, fine. No, I am really getting the vibe of moving on from this thing, because it's really hard to stay in the same thing, in the same position. But yes, for some of you, you might listen, you might even listen to your heart rather than your mind. So it is all intuition based. If you will get good vibes, positive vibes at that moment, you will take the decision in accordance with that. Okay, I want to check this Strength's energy. Knight of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and the Sun. Yes, so somebody is coming towards you with an excuse why they have behaved like this from past so many days. It's your call now, Capricorns. I really see that it is your call only. You are going to decide whether to be with this person or to move away from the situation, whatever situation is this. So let's see some advice from this situation for you. Advice for my Capricorns, please. Nine of Wands, Ace of Cups, and Seven of Pentacles. You are already tired. You have invested a lot of money, you have invested a lot of time. So the advice for you for the situation is, you are going to get the fruits. Whatever has happened with you in the long run, you have invested a lot of energies. You will get the fruits of the situation. Just trust the universe and trust the process. It might take some time, but you will get what you have asked for. So do not try to rush things. Do not try to make some decision in a haste, in a worry. Just think for some time and then take that decision. All right. So that is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.